Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best oven mitts. So let's get started. Number 7. DAMUZHI Silicone Heat Resistant. Are you tired of bulky and unattractive oven gloves? Then the DAMUZHI Silicone Heat Resistant Oven Mitts can get into the list of the best oven mitts high heat just by its looks. Aside from that, this pair also performs extremely well, so there would be no regrets in choosing this one. The DAMUZHI Silicone Heat Resistant Oven Mitts has a unique dual-layer design that includes an outer silicone glove and an inner heat-resistant cotton layer for a more protective feature. It also has an extra long design that protects the wrist and the arms. Number 6. Xlnt Heat Resistant Oven Silicone. For more affordable heat-resistant oven mitts, check out the Xlnt Heat Resistant Oven Silicone Glove that offers heat protection perfect for dealing with hot cookware as well as firing coals and woods when you're baking, grilling, and cooking. Crafted with top-quality premium insulated aramid fiber material, the Xlnt Heat Resistant Oven Silicone Glove is also lined with ribbed silicone material for better traction and ease of use. It authoritative EN 407 certificated protective oven glove that can effectively withstand temperature reaching as high as 800 degrees up to 10 seconds. Number 5. Xlnt Teflon Heat Resistant. Coming from arguably one of the most famous brands in kitchenware and accessories, the Xlnt Teflon Heat Resistant Oven Mitts offers high-quality performance and high heat resistance that is a testament to what the brand is all about. Made using soft and comfortable cotton material, the Xlnt Teflon Heat Resistant Oven Mitts features a long oven mitt design that offers heat protection reaching up to the forearms. It has silicone linings along with the glove for an easier and tighter grip, and has a notably high heat resistance capacity reaching up to 460 degree F/240 degree C. Number 4. RAPICCA Leather Fire Resistant. Suppose you're looking for something unique in terms of design and material. In that case, the RAPICCA Leather Fire Resistant Oven Glove is a heavy-duty option suitable for cooking, baking, grilling, and even construction and building. Notable for its leather material that is unlike any other oven glove on this list, the RAPICCA Leather Fire Resistant Oven Glove offers heavy-duty performance that is sure to withstand heat and extreme temperatures reaching up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit or 350 degrees Celsius. It is a highly durable and versatile work glove that you can use for cooking, welding, grilling, gardening, as well as handling hot and dangerous stuff such as cookware and animals. Number 3. MEMX Oven Gloves. If you're looking for a simple yet reliable heat-resistant oven glove, look no further as the MEMX oven gloves might just be what you need. Made using thick cotton fabric, the MEMX oven gloves features an elongated design that covers the hands and the arms to protect it from fire and burns. It is reinforced using strong synthetic monoacrylic fibers that are known to have high heat resistance capacity up to 1472 degrees Fahrenheit or 800 degrees Celsius. Also, it has an anti-slip design using discontinuous striation silicone lining that offers a tighter grip while also protecting the glove's cotton material. Number 2. Cuisinart Quilted Double Oven Mitt. Listed as one of the best-selling and top-rated oven gloves on this list, the Cuisinart Quilted Double Oven Mitt features a beautiful and effective design that can be used for a variety of purposes. Coming from one of the most trusted brands in the kitchenware industry, the Cuisinart Quilted Double Oven Mitt is made using a combination of cotton and polyester material that effectively resists heat. This product features an extended design that protects up to the forearm and is notable for featuring a premium insulation system to keep your hands safe from any heat-related injury. Number 1. Killer's Instinct Heat Resistant. If you're looking for reliable heat-resistant gloves that are comfortable and easy to use, the Killer's Instinct Heat Resistant Oven Gloves is widely considered as one of the best oven mitts high heat that you can go for. Made with high-quality metaramid material, the Killer's Instinct Heat Resistant Oven Glove is a reliable and effective tool that provides adequate heat resistance for temperatures reaching up to 500 degrees. It features a 5-finger glove design that is reusable, wear-resistant, and machine-washable for ease of use and convenience. The Killer's Instinct Heat-Resistant Oven Glove comes in 2 colors: kitchen gloves, gloves cooking, baking gloves, kitchen grill, smoker gloves, and welding gloves.